What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the "we can't find your camera" error you are getting on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, open up your Windows settings and navigate to the Privacy and Security section. You can follow along on either Windows 10 or 11. From here, scroll down and click on Camera. Make sure that both the Camera Access and Let Apps Access Your Camera options are enabled. This will make sure that your privacy settings are not hindering your camera from being used on your PC. When this is done, scroll all the way down and select Camera Device Settings. Under Connected Cameras, your webcam or other camera should show up. If this is not the case, then ensure yourself that your camera is not faulty and change the USB port to connect your camera to your PC. When selecting your camera, you can go ahead and preview the video output and change some basic settings below for most connected webcams. You can also troubleshoot common software issues for your connected camera. While in your Windows settings, it's suggested to make sure that you're running the latest software update. In the Windows Update section, make sure to download any available update and proceed to restart your PC after the download is complete. This will restart all processes on your PC, which can fix the "we can't find your camera" error you are getting. When this is done and the problem persists, then search for camera in your Start menu search. Right-click the camera application and select App Settings. In your Camera App Settings, make sure that the app has the permission to use your camera, microphone and videos in order to properly work. In addition, scroll down and click on Repair. This will take a moment to make sure that the app is working fine on your PC, regardless of a connected camera. Below, click on Repair. This may install and overwrite corrupted camera app files, and when this is done, your camera app should work fine and the "can't find your camera" error should be fixed. In case Windows is still unable to recognize your connected camera, then your device manager was unable to detect the device as a new camera, or your driver might be outdated. To fix this, open up your device manager by searching for it in your Start menu search. Here, right-click your PC username and select Scan for hardware changes. It may take a couple of seconds for all devices to appear again. Next, expand your cameras, or in some cases it's called imaging devices. Right-click your camera and select Update Driver. And finally, select Search automatically for drivers. This will take a moment to make sure that your camera driver is up to date. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.